Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're tired of seeing the same old wallpaper in your window and want a bit of change, yes, you're in the right place. So, today we are going to see how to change wallpaper in Windows, whether it is 11 or Windows 10. So, my one is Windows 10. Let me show you how to do it. Give a right click on your mouse and you will see a box like this and go to personalize. Here you can choose any picture you want for your wallpaper. The preview is shown in here, and if you want a selective photo that you have downloaded and you want to set that for your wallpaper, just click on browse and go to downloads and click on that photo you want to give wallpaper as. Click on choose picture and yeah, it's done. See, my picture is in horizontal, but the whole thing is not, it cannot be seen. But if you want to change it again, go to personalize and change it to a selected photo, and yeah, boom, your wallpaper is changed. So that's it for today. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends and family. Till then, see you in the next video.